Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to open a private browsing window in Google Chrome. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your computer. Look for the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder, and double-click to launch the browser. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, locate the three-dot menu at the upper right corner of the browser window. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options, select New Incognito Window. This action will open a brand new window specifically for private browsing. Step 3. Congratulations! You're now in incognito mode. You can confirm this by checking the top left corner of the browser window. You'll see a figure wearing a hat and sunglasses, indicating that you're browsing privately. Feel free to visit any website or search for information in this incognito mode. Your browsing history, cookies, and site data will not be saved in this private browsing window. And there you have it! Opening a private browsing window in Google Chrome is as easy as following these 3 simple steps. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.